Hey there, Stephen Pegg from Loves to Travel. Thanks for checking out our videos. Always appreciate when you watch what we do. Room that we haven't been in, what, 10 years or better?
It's been a long time, and there's a reason why we're staying here tonight.
So where are we?
We are at the Marriott Harbor Lake.
Okay, so let's go on inside and take a look and see what this one's all about. As we get into the video, love for you to hit the subscribe button below if you haven't done that. Hit that bell notification button below too. That'll notify you when our next video goes up. Please hit the like button as well. It helps us out immensely. Where do you want to start?
Well, this is Marriott Harbor Lake, which is part of the Marriott Vacation Club.
Right.
Let's clarify where we are. We are in Orlando.
Right.
It is part of the Marriott Vacation Club, but it used to be a different name.
What was the old name?
It used to be Horizons by
Okay.
Marriott, which is what they call the entry-level vacation club timeshare, but they upgraded it many, many years ago, and you'll see a couple of differences we'll point out.
One of the things I do like about this location is you're just around the corner from SeaWorld for the most part, just to give you an idea of where we're at. SeaWorld's not even a half a mile away from here. Where do you want to start? Let's start here. Let's go this way first, right off this. We'll come back to the kitchen later, but start right off the bat. You walk into a bathroom, a full bath, right as you come into the door. Single sink, toilet, shower.
So everything has been remodeled in 2020. I asked when we checked in during the front desk, and that's what they told us. So
It's a tub shower combination. And they do have the pumps, by the way.
they do.
Yeah,
Everything
I
is
can see the
going more
pumps, yeah.
eco-friendly.
Everything's going to the pumps. Oh, and the shower is high enough. I mean, it is tall enough, so I'm not worried about the height of the shower.
And it's got the curved shower bar for more room.
Mm-hmm. One of the things about the Marriott, too, is pool towels. They don't have pool towels at the pool. They have them in your room, and they replace them as needed. You just have to call. By the way, ignore my hair. It's humid in Florida right now. So this goes into the second bedroom. That's where we're going. This bathroom is connected to the second bedroom.
So this is a 2-bedroom dedicated. It's
not
not
a
a
lockout.
lockout, which is very unusual because they do have some here that's a lockout, but this is what they call a dedicated 2-bedroom.
You've got 2 queen-size beds, which is humongous for a lot of room here, with a nightstand in the middle. The one thing you don't like is you'd rather see nightstands on either side of the beds, but you only have one nightstand in the middle here. And I can understand. You're talking, 2 queen-size beds in the bedroom. TV's not that large at all, to be honest with you. You know me and TV sizes. The bigger the better. They actually have a DVD player, believe it or not. Dresser drawer. It looks like 8 drawers here for the dressers. See how big the closet is. It's actually not a bad closet.
Wow.
It's that's for the hide-a-bed. That's the sheet set for the hide-a-bed that we're going to get to in a minute. Hangers, vacuum cleaner, fire extinguisher, and that's pretty much all you've got in here.
Enough room for the luggage.
Mm-hmm. That's the only thing I like about this, or one of the things I like about it. A lot of the renovated rooms are going to the storage under the bed.
But this one you cannot because they still have like the
platforms. Yeah.
platforms.
So, but there is enough room in the closets to store luggage. You come out of the second bedroom, and again, it's into the kitchen. And we'll get to the kitchen here in a second. And I also want to get to the living room. We'll talk about the living room here in a second. Actually, do you want to talk about the living room now and go to the main bedroom?
Yeah, we could go in the living room right now. This is, like I said, it's been renovated.
Yep.
All the Marriotts look like this. They have almost the same similar type of furniture.
Right. And that is a hide-a-bed couch there. So that'll sleep another 2 people. That's a queen-size hide-a-bed. You've got end table. You've got side chair. You've got an ottoman, a coffee table. Interesting lamp, to say the least. Do you want to talk about that, or we'll talk about the banquette when we get to the kitchen? Right. Television, actually a larger television, which I actually like. It could be bigger. Bigger is better as always. I do like the fact that they've got these now, where you can have your chargers off to the side.
But it is dated now, if you think about it, because everything is going to USB-C. These are still USBs.
Yeah, and they have the cabinets underneath that you can put things under if you want to. They used to have your sound systems and everything else under here, but as people are going away from those, they do have a DVD player, but that's about it. Those are all empty, obviously. So the patio, so it's actually a fairly large patio.
And it is screened with a ceiling fan.
That's kind of cool to have, especially on a hot, humid night like it is now in Florida right now. So I like having the ceiling fan out here.
Does this connect to the?
No, it doesn't.
It
I
does
already
not.
checked.
Okay, interesting. Usually, sometimes this connects to. That is the difference between these
Yeah.
and the.
This is wasted space.
Right. So that's the difference between these versus the other ones.
Mhm.
It does not connect into the primary bedroom.
Right.
So in the other one videos you see from us, you'll see the patio is usually connected from the primary plus the living room.
Mainly, for the most part anyway.
Right.
I know that one of the things you like and don't like is that the main bedroom, the master, is way back here off to the corner, which is a good thing and a bad thing depending on how you look at it. You're way off to the side if you want to get something in the middle of the night, but you're also far enough away from the kids that you won't be bothered. This is actually really nice in here. I really, the green kind of is a little off-putting to me, but it's really nice in here.
Well, it's supposed to be beachy.
I know.
That's the whole idea.
So they do have an ottoman underneath the end table. They do have end tables on both sides of the bed, but they're not matching. I thought that that was a light, but it's not. That does not light up as far as I can tell. I've tried to get it to light up, and I can't get it to light up. So you have a king-size bed, a ceiling fan, and I'm pretty darn sure that's a light. I just got to figure out how to turn it on. So
there's a TV right here.
the TV is not very big, but it is for this size bedroom. And we actually researched it a little bit on how big a TV should be as far away as you are from it. I grew up with a TV with a 19-inch, and I was way back there, and I lived with it. But I do like a bigger TV, and you could probably fit a bigger one here. That's my only complaint in this bedroom, so far anyway. You have a closet. Your safe is in here. It's electronic safe. Not a key safe, electronic. There's a lot of hangers in the other. If you need extra hangers, there's a lot of hangers in the other bedroom you can borrow.
Fire extinguisher.
Mm-hmm. And then you've got the bathroom, which actually kind of cool. It's only a single sink bathroom. It's not a dual sink.
It's not a private bathroom. There is no door.
Nope, not for the shower.
If you notice that there's no door, so if you're showering, people in this room can see.
Exactly, but there is a door to the
Right.
toilet area. But this is a nice size shower
Right.
with a sitting on the bench seat.
Right.
Again, the pumps. It does have a grab bar, and it does have
Actually, there's two showers.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you're right.
That is
I didn't even
nice.
see this part. This has got another, and this can go up and down. Well, I guess it can, but oh, that's right. It's got. There you go. So you can adjust that too. So you can do double showers here. And this isn't really tall enough. It's not as tall as the other one, but it'll work. And it is adjustable. So, but there is a grab bar here if you need it.
And that is big enough for you.
That is big enough.
So let's clarify the difference between this one and the original one.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, we said this was a Horizons, which is the entry level into the timeshare portion of Marriott Vacation Club.
Right.
There's no dual sinks in here.
Right, and I noticed that as soon as I walked in here. Most of them now have dual sinks. This does not have a dual
Right.
sink.
That's the reason why, and it was not one of the features in this kind of unit when they first introed it. Now they're bringing it to Marriott Vacation Club. So,
We'll see what happens in the future. There is enough room for two sinks here.
okay, and here is the bathroom, and there's plenty of room in this bathroom for you, honey.
Oh, it's a big bathroom.
Yeah.
They've got a lot of room here, which is why I'm saying that they've got room to be able to do other things. Towels. Where's the extra towel? Oh, underneath the sink, there's with the towels.
Is it?
Extra toilet paper, extra Kleenex, extra towels, washcloths, and such. Oh, I didn't turn this light on. Forgot about this. Let me turn this one on. So nice. Your end table with your. It's not USB-C. It's just USB.
Mm-hmm. That's the one thing they did not. USB is a pretty new. USB-C is pretty new. So, like I said, they renovated this in 2020, and those can be swapped out pretty easily.
Oh yeah, and to be honest with you, I mean, even your iPhones are going to be going to USB-C instead of those lightning cords.
So, like I said, there's only a window here. It does not access the. Does not access the
But I can
patio.
see the patio. The patio's right
Yep,
there.
it's over there.
Just can't see it.
Mm-hmm. Now let's go into the dining area. The one thing about this one, it's a banquette.
And it's actually a larger banquette. A lot of times you only see the single. This one's got the L-shaped, so you can fit 1, 2, 3. You can probably fit 8 people at this table easily.
Mm-hmm. And I do like what they did to this. Look at this bar thing.
Oh,
this is pretty neat.
So you can fit 2 more people here.
Right. So in the original, they were laminate, and then Marriott Vacation Club is granite or marble. So they upgraded that. So like I said, this is a pretty nice upgraded kitchen.
Yeah, and they do have a pantry here. Did you see the pantry here?
Oh, I must have missed it. Hold on.
Yeah, you walked right by the pantry.
Sorry.
There's a pantry.
Okay, here's the pantry.
It's a small pantry, but it'll put stuff in.
Oh, and I forgot the full-length mirror.
You can't forget your full-length mirror, hon. You gotta have your full-length mirror. So the kitchen, again, newer appliances, 2020 appliances, I guess.
That's what they said. It was remodeled in 2020, and look at the lighting. Very, very nice.
I do like, and I like that chandelier over the banquette too, by the way. Did you show that? That is a nice chandelier. Dishwasher, sink, garbage disposal. It's dual sink.
Very modern faucet.
Yeah. So I know you like that.
Interesting. They're still using Fiesta ware.
Yep. So they've got all that there. What have they got here? They've got your cups, your measuring cups, things there. There's just enough clearance there. I'll bet you there's nothing up here. I'll bet you there's nothing up here. And I'm right. Microwave. Actually, a nice sized microwave too. You have your tea kettle, honey. Newer stove again.
You could tell.
Yeah. 2000 stove. I'll bet you there's pans under here. Want to bet? Yep, there's your boiling pan. This is actually a warming drawer. People need to remember that. Silverware. Lots of silverware. It's not a non-stick.
There's a non-stick.
That's a non-stick.
There's the other pans. Oh, lots of pans.
See what's under here. Trash, recycling, extra paper towels, laundry soap. Not laundry soap, but dishwasher soap.
My son and I had this discussion about how deep the sink is. And when they did the remodel, they put a really, really, really deep sink.
Our sink at home goes to about here, and I hate it.
The standard builder's grade sink is between 6 and 7 inches. This is probably a 9-inch sink, my guess. So
you've got a coffee maker, or just a regular coffee maker. You've got more glassware up there. Let's see, there's your cooking utensils. Salad, no, that's a serving bowl. Cake tin and a cutting board. And a colander. Anything over the fridge, I'll guarantee. No, that's empty. I figured that would be.
Okay.
So you've got a refrigerator, and it's making noise. Full-size fridge. Ice maker, and yeah, we did buy ice cream already.
Yeah, we brought in ice cream. And something they do have in these units is a washer and dryer.
But you were saying they also have ironing board and iron. But you're saying this is the older washer that was in here originally.
Yeah, because if you actually look at it, if it's 2 years old, it should not have that there.
Yeah.
So this is probably, I don't know how old it is, but it's not newer.
Either that or it just hasn't been cleaned correctly. So, but you do have a laundry basket up there. So that's the room. And actually, it's not a bad... No, you also have a broom and dustpan there. I just noticed that. So you have everything that you'd need at home here. So not a bad sized room. And they did a nice job on the remodel. What do you think? I
like it. We'll see how the bed's on when we see it.
Yeah, we'll let you know. Thanks for watching this video. I always appreciate when you check out our videos. If you haven't hit that subscribe button below, do so. Hit that bell notification button too. That'll notify you when our next video goes up. And we're going to have a couple more room tours on this trip as well we want to show you. And please hit the like button too. Helps us out immensely. Thanks for watching. Coming down to Orlando, this is one of the places you can stay at. And have a magical day.